everybody, my name's Alana. I just got to Korea not too long ago for tourism. We're here in Seoul, the capital city of Korea, and I decided I wanted to show you guys some of the cool things they've got going on here. So I think we're gonna ride my bike, we're gonna put the camcorder on there, and we're gonna go check it all out, okay you guys? So, got it all charged up and ready to go. We'll see, don't fail me. And I got my friend over here, hi!
Hi.
Hi, how are you? We're gonna go check things out, okay? See ya! Okay, well, looks like we checked out of Namdaemun now, so let's go head somewhere else. Well, it won't go on here. Okay, let's get on this sucker. Bye-bye! Well, hey everybody! Last time we saw Namdaemun and the Seoul City Hall. We also checked out Deoksugung and Gwanghwamun. Well, I guess today we're gonna check out Cheonggyejeong. Cheonggyecheon! Alright you guys, let's check it out and see what happens. Alright everybody, can you see this? Amazing, right? This is called the Cheonggyecheon. Apparently it means a brook that is cleaned neatly. I thought the word was funny to say, but the meaning is also funny itself. Look at all this. Isn't it amazing? Here's where the stream starts, and its total length is about 35,564 feet. Pretty long. Don't think we have time to check them all out today. Apparently there's 22 bridges that cross it. But at least we can check this out. Anyway, amazing, right? Look at all these people. Apparently there's a big bell inside. I don't think you can see it. But apparently in the past the bell used to be rung to announce the start and the end of the day. Nowadays it doesn't really ring very often. Only on New Year's and other big holidays. Pretty interesting, huh? Apparently there's some other big buildings on the other side. It's a nice mix of old culture and new culture. Okay, everybody, well, this is our last stop. We're gonna head off to Insadong. You can see on the map. Let's get going. Let me check this out. Look, it's like a piano. Well, no noises are coming out. What? I like it. This is fun. Wow, you guys, check it out. This is amazing. It looks like there's some lights up there too, like Christmas lights. I bet at nighttime it would be so pretty. I bet I should come back sometime.